We guide you through how to make your iPhone screen never turn off so your display stays without interruptions. First, open your Settings app, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Then look for the Auto Lock. Tap on the Auto Lock and you'll see different time options like 30 seconds, 1 minute, up to 5 minutes. What you need to do is select Never. Once you choose Never, your iPhone screen will stay on continuously and you won't automatically turn off. This is especially useful when you are ready, following a tutorial, using maps, or recording content. However, keep in mind that leaving your screen on for long periods can drain your battery faster. So it's best to use this setting only when needed. If you want to switch it back, just go to the same auto lock settings and choose your preferred time.